Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I was riding through South Point along Ken Oblik Greenway. I'll give you a map of that. And I noticed at the end of Northridge here, there used to just be open fields here and a little community garden and those kinds of things. And I noticed there's actually a big hill had been put up, and there's construction trucks, and this has all been marked out for development. Anyway, just across this field is Waverley West B, Bison Run. If you get a chance, this road will clearly be coming through here and connecting up with the other side in Waverley West, and there will be development happening in here. I'll look up and see if I can find out more information, but the pathway from Ken Oblik through Bison Run will probably be continued next year, maybe. Have a great time exploring. Bye.